Hey there, I'm Jarrod Wickum, and I'm President and CEO of Wickum Weld. First off, I'd like to thank you for purchasing Wickum Weld products. Here at Wickum Weld, we pride ourselves on three things: quality, innovation, and service. And we don't take that lightly. Every product at Wickum Weld has been handmade and meticulously inspected right here in our shop. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the installation of your new Wickum Weld Maverick Crossbox. It's a really easy installation, and I'll guide you through it. Your new box comes standard with our mounting kit. It includes 2 heavy-duty clamps designed to fasten your crossbox securely. The first step is to ensure the perfect fit of your crossbox on your truck bed. Locate the center of the crossbox and align it with the center of your truck bed for optimal balance and weight distribution. Please ensure there's at least 5/8 of an inch of clearance between the truck and the toolbox. It's time to drill. Remember, only drill into the upper body of the crossbox to avoid damaging your truck bed rail. Finally, bolt the clamps into place. And there you have it. Your Wickum Weld Maverick Crossbox is securely installed and ready for action. Once again, thank you for choosing Wickum Weld to outfit your truck. We're committed to providing you with the highest quality products, service, and support. If you have any questions regarding the installation of your box, please feel free to reach out to our sales team. We would love to see your truck with our products. So if you have any pictures, please send them our way. Thank you.